Today is an incredible day as we celebrate Duplo's second anniversary. 2 years ago, we embarked on a journey to transform financial operations for Nigerian businesses, and look how far we've come. In those 2 years, Duplo has not only grown, but has become the #1 player in the financial operations space in Nigeria. We have released our accounts payable and receivables products, payment and spend management products that improve the financial transparency and performance of the hundreds of businesses we serve in the logistics, agriculture and manufacturing industries, amongst others. On a weekly basis, we process billions of naira in weekly payment volume. None of this would have been possible without our team of 40+ incredible individuals. Their brilliance, passion, and resilience has become a pillar of Duplo's success so far. As we mark this milestone, I want to assure you that we remain committed to our mission, and we are relentless in our efforts to see Nigerian businesses thrive. In line with this vision, we are about to publicly launch our vendor management platform in the next few days, which helps Nigerian businesses improve communication with their vendors, get access to invoice financing, and maintain healthy business supplier relationships. We're also excited to share that Duplo has recently joined the 2024 MasterCard StartPath Small Business Program, underscoring our commitment to building innovative solutions for businesses of all sizes across Africa. To Duplo's incredible journey, to our brilliant team, and the exciting future ahead, happy second anniversary, Duplo.